how to instill the love for the Jama'at to the Ahmadi teenager so that they can be active in Jama'at, Huzur. Jazakallah.
How old are you?
21 years old.
You are 21.
Yes, Huzur.
When you were a teenager, then how did you instill the love of the Jama'at in your heart? Your parents inspired you to work for the Jama'at, or your friends inspired you to work for the Jama'at or your lajnah organization, or you yourself, it was your inborn desire to work for the Jama'at and create the love for the Jama'at?
Actually, at first, my parents instill the love for the Jama'at in home. Yeah.
The answer is the same. So as you had this love for the Jama'at, the same thing you should try to develop among the teenagers of the Jama'at. So first thing is that they should know why they are Ahmadis. Who is Hadith Masih Islam? Why did they do Bayat of Khilafat? Why did their parents offer them as a Waqf-e-Nau? And being a Waqf-e-Nau or being an Ahmadi Muslim, what are their duties? So if they realize their duties, then they will understand their responsibility. When they understand their responsibility, then there will be some purpose before them, which they have to achieve. And for that, when they work hard and pray to Allah Ta'ala for it, then the love of the Jama'at and their work and the status of being Waqf-e-Nau will itself develop in their hearts. Okay?
Okay. Jazakallah, Huzur.